Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's officially date 46 of using 50,000 capital for the 50 trading days. So in the today's session, early morning, I too was online, had discussed about this trend line wherein on a 5 minute time frame, the Nifty was taking resistance and after there is consolidation, I had told that like once this trend line is taken as support, then we might expect a rally. But however, in the first go, I'm not confident. However, that was we had discussed, and people would have joined in the live stream. They would have identified this setup and they would have made some decent profit. But however, in the today's session there was a lot of volatility early morning. In the first session, almost it was in the sideways and consolidation mode, wherein the high was almost around 21,752 and the low was around 21,700. So the Nifty was in this zone. But however, in the later part, in the second stage, there was a breakout till 21,800, 830 level, and then afterwards we saw a huge crackdown till 21,890. So however, as per the our analysis, the 21,680 to 690 level is crucial, and even after the fall, the Nifty had taken, it has come to this level itself, and on the higher side 21,800 with respect to the previous price action, and along with that today's resistance, today's price will like high will be like acting as a sort as a resistance. So in the today's session, what I did is coming to the 50k challenge early morning. I bought around 21,700 p, wherein I had bought around 300, and then later on I added 100 quantities. So the average price was around somewhere around 120, 128 or 126, I think, with that respect. But the momentum was pretty good. My entry was somewhere here in this candle, and I added the points over here. But the premium, when wherein the Nifty went out to around this point, exactly if you see at 10.5, what was like I executed my trade around at 9:40. But even though after the Nifty had gone to this level, the premium was not increasing. There was a decay factor, and also we are not getting much momentum in the option buying, so hence I had to square off the position. And even in the live trade, we entered somewhere here, I guess in this candle we had made an entry of 21,700 PE with around 4.4 lots. So I was holding that position, and however, at the end, I have squared off that position with almost like break even with respect to that. So, and with when the Nifty went on to around 21,770 to 21,800, I started adding my position in 21,800 P, wherein I bought around 21,000. Let me zoom out a bit. Over here, if you see, I started buying 750 p. No, sorry, not 800. Around 750, I started buying almost like 800 quantities over here, and previously I had around 100 quantities wherein I had added for the similar put. So overall quantity I had around 900 quantities. So even though the capital that I used was a bit higher side, but I am using the profit that I gained from the previous trading session. So with respect to that, I was able to gain around 8,000 as overall profit with what is it, two trades, where in early morning trade one trade and another in the later half. However, I squared off my position at 77. If you see here, I squared off my position at 310. However, this premium went on to around 110 plus, wherein because of the volatility, I thought of trailing my SL, and then I got triggered, it got triggered. So with that aspect, I squared off somewhere in the scandal. But later on we saw I squared off at around 730 or so, and then wherein Nifty went down to around 690 odd levels. So if you see the premium, that still it was trading at the end of the, at the closure, it was around 110. So that, and even regarding the trade that I had taken for 21,700 PE, I squared off at almost like break even point, wherein around the market price at the end of the day was around 84. So overall, the cumulative profit around was around 8,000. In between, I bought around 21,850 call, wherein Nifty was trading decisively above in the candle itself. Let me show you where I bought that quantity, 21,850 P. No, sorry, C. I bought around two lots at 150. So wherein I squared up hardly in 40 30 40 seconds because the volatility, and I was not that pretty confident because 800 call writers were not exiting. Even the market was at 834, which was suggesting that this will be a whipsaw. Well, I was not expecting this move for sure, but I was anticipating that it will come around 780 to 790 level because of the call writers that were prominently holding their positions at, even though market was at 834 and 21,834. So hence I squared off my position, and I didn't wanted to end up getting trapped. However, ended up to be a trap. But let's see, tomorrow session I'll be update about the trades that I'll be taking, and with respect to the other trades also I will explain the trade setup. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.